Ooh la la, guys, how beautiful is that? Wow. Wow, so beautiful. See all the people just in there enjoying themselves. Good afternoon from here in Gianyar. So I'm here at the Taman Sari Waterfall. So I'm just about to purchase my ticket and then we're gonna go and explore this waterfall. I've actually never been here before, so this is a first time for me and I want to share it with you, so come with me. So here's a ticket office now, a little ticket office. We don't have anyone in the ticket office. Okay, so here's one now. Can I get ticket, please?
Yes,
Sorry?
20,000 baht.
20,000.
Yeah. This is your
Okay,
ticket?
thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So the ticket price is 20,000. Which way? This way?
This way.
This way.
Postal.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is a bit unusual. The ticket office is here at the top, and then we have to make our way down the road to the waterfall. Parking areas here. So we just make our way down the road now to the waterfall. Down the steps. It looks as though it's a pretty easy trek down to this one. Concrete and steps and the flat bits. Oh, here we go. So there's a spot photo this way and the waterfall is this way. So let's just go and take a look at the spot photo. Here's your spot photo. That just gives you some idea of what it looks like in the photo. And then you have another little bird's nest here, which is a little bit better one for the photo. So there's your photo in your bird's nest. Just make our way down to the waterfall now. I'm just back up to the stairs where we left and broke off towards the photo spot. It's all nicely done here, the track down to the waterfall. It's very easy, manageable. I don't know whether it's this way or this way. Maybe just keep heading this way. Ready for this? Ooh la la! Take a look at this. Wow, so beautiful. You can see all the people just in there enjoying themselves. Although not too many, but nice. Nice little bamboo here with water just cascading down onto the girl in the ribbed rubber ring. And maybe this way is, I think, up to the top of the waterfall. There's the bottom. So this is up to the top of the waterfall here. Ooh la la, guys, how beautiful is that? Wow! So beautiful, so beautiful. I'm just gonna try and see if I can go in here now. I don't see anybody else in there, they're only down the bottom, but I want to go and have a little dip in that bit, so come with me. So you do have to be careful because the rocks are very, very slippy. And I'm just going to try and get in there now. Woo! Ooh la la! Woo! Nearly lost my glasses. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. Woo. So it's just about chest deep here, right under the waterfall. Into a big rock. So up on the top here at the waterfall, the rocks are very green, very slippy, so you will have to be careful. I've taken my sandals off. There is an area down below where you can leave all your stuff. It's probably best to come up here in bare feet, but like I say, it is very, very slippy. Just look at the rocks. Just down at the bottom now, and I'm just going to take a little dip in this little pool at the bottom. Have to sort of slide in the water because it is so slippy. Ooh, so it's quite deep here. Oh no, I can touch the ground. It is quite deep here. I can still touch the bottom, but it's still getting close, and there's a few rocks as well underfoot. Try and make our way over to the waterfall. Oh no, there's big rocks in the way. Well, it's not easy. So I'm not sure whether you can jump from the top there or not. Maybe you can't because there is rocks in the water as well, so maybe it's not possible to jump from the top, I'm not sure. Is the area where you leave all your clothes and belongings. It looks as though you can rent a locker for 10,000, and then they have changing rooms and a toilet facility here. Don't you see, in case somebody slips, they've got bandages and plasters. Oh, that's your changing facility. Toilet and shower. And there's your beautiful waterfall. So all in all, Taman Sari Waterfall, only 20,000. Nice place to visit. It's not the most beautiful of waterfalls like some of the others in Bali, but nonetheless it's worth the 20,000 visit. I thoroughly enjoyed it, loved exploring the top and sitting in the pools at the top, and then having a dip and a swim in this big one in the bottom. However, you are going to have to be careful because it is very slippy walking up on the top. The track down to the waterfall is very impressive. It's nice and neat, not too strenuous, very well done. All in all, I've enjoyed visiting here. I think it's good value for money for 20,000. And again, if you're staying in the Ubud, Gianyar regency area, or even if you want to take a day trip from Kuta, Legian or Seminyak, thoroughly. There's many waterfalls in this area. I've just been to Goa Reng before this one, and then I'm heading off to another one, so you can combine it with 3-4 waterfalls in a day tour, should you so wish. And I'd include this in any waterfall tour. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Like I say, just have to be careful on the top because it is very slippy, so just be careful. So I'm heading off to another waterfall now this afternoon, and I shall be sharing that one with you also in another vlog, so I shall say bye for now.